Hi everyone, apologies for no audio. We had some issues with the microphones, but here we are with a very early morning start flying out of Las Vegas and heading to Calgary. We caught a lift from our hotel to the airport and flying out with WestJet. We found out at the check-in that the seats we had pre-booked had been reassigned to other passengers, which meant that we were separated for this flight. This is one of the poor experiences we had flying with WestJet. Walking through customs was a fairly easy process. We were carrying liquid medicine, so we were stopped, but this didn't take too long. We had a few hours before our flight, so we had some time to explore Las Vegas airport. There were heaps of places to eat and do some retail shopping. Las Vegas is the only airport in the world that has poker machines while waiting for your flight. Here is some raw footage of takeoff at Las Vegas airport and the view from the top. The plane was well looked after and plenty of room with comfy seats. This was a short flight, so food was not provided. However, you were able to purchase food. Canada has been our bucket list location for some time now, and it was amazing to fly into Calgary and finally get the opportunity to explore this amazing country. Please enjoy the unedited footage of our descent into Calgary Airport. Once we landed, clearing customs was a breeze. However, it did take some time for the luggage to come through. We took advantage of the opportunity to take a photo of the Welcome to Canada sign. Next stop was a hire car office to pick up our car, which will be driving to Lake Louise. The walk from the terminal to the hire car office was fairly long, taking about 10 minutes. The airport had some great attractions which we soaked in. We had organised the car hire through Flight Centre in Australia prior to our trip. We opted for the Jeep Grand Cherokee, which would fit all 4 suitcases for the next leg of our adventure. The car was heavily hit with hail a few weeks prior and had noticeable hail damage, but that didn't stop the fun we had planned ahead. The drive from Calgary to Lake Louise town was picturesque. Our first stop was a little town called Canmore, which was surrounded by amazing snow-tipped mountains. We absolutely loved this town and ended up coming back in a couple of days to explore it further. The main road was closed off to motor vehicles and there was plenty of little country town stores and restaurants. The bear in the middle of the town square was adorable. Canmore has a great vibe and we absolutely loved our time exploring there. We were all really hungry by this point and stopped to have lunch at the Wood Restaurant and Lounge. The restaurant had an amazing atmosphere and the decor represented a wooden cabin which we loved. The food was really nice. Of course, the girls picked their favourites. Isabella had burger and fries while Emily decided on the spaghetti. Both gave the meals a thumbs up. We had to try Canada's staple for our first meal, so we opted for the poutine, which was really nice. I also had a chicken club sandwich, which was delicious. Our next stop was Canada's famous dessert, the BeaverTails. We had watched so many videos on YouTube about BeaverTails and were really looking forward to trying these, and they didn't disappoint. These are a flat fried donut with various toppings. The menu is extensive and we ended up sampling most of these options over the next few days. For our first try, we chose two, the Oreo and the Maple. Both of these were absolutely amazing and we would highly recommend these for anyone visiting Canada. It was very hard to decide which is better and we agreed that both were delicious. We definitely took our time here and enjoyed the delicious long-awaited sugary goodness. We found it interesting that the birds were not as afraid of people during our time in Canada. In Australia, we would never have an opportunity to get as close to nature as we did in Canada. We then hit the road again, destination Lake Louise town. The views were breathtaking and unlike anything we have seen before. We noticed a few of these overpasses, which have been designed to allow wildlife to safely cross the freeway. Just another reason why we love Canada. We saw our first lake along the freeway and the view was amazing. We finally arrived at our hotel for the next few days, staying at the Lake Louise Inn. We resolved our mic issues, so please enjoy the rest of the video as we have dinner at the on-site pizza restaurant.
So now we're heading to eat and it's freezing still, and the stairs, I've never seen steeper stairs in my whole life. Thank you so much. Thank you. Very nice people here. And they're still chirping. Pizza and pasta. So, I just came. There's a Greek salad my dad's digging into so far. And there's also garlic bread. Thank you. There's also garlic bread. Wow, it's hot. Why is the plate so hot?
Because I watched them.
And there's garlic bread. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up. Oh my god. I'm going back to bed. Really look. People on my sideburns. Do you?
Looks good, eh?
Huh?
Looks good.
Yeah, it's very nice.
That's that?
No, I'm good. Hey.
Wait, I need a...
Oh,
I know.
Can you drop?
Don't take it. There you go. Whilst it's spinning, can I have a turn? I put salt on it.
You got it. Slip it up. Slip it up.
Slip! big baby. Oh, and she broke it. You are seriously a menace to society. You're mental.
Hey, how was it? Nice?
Hey, well, what do you think about it? He likes it. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, pizza pie. Oh, it's hot.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sure, we love that.
Enjoy yourself?
It's like plastic. It's like plastic.
What?
Tastes good.
What's wrong with that?
Tastes good. I put salt on it, by the way.
Yeah, M? Yeah.
I put salt on it, so it might taste a bit funny.
Alright, we'll eat your garlic bread then.
Guys, we just saw that restaurant. Look, we just saw. Now I'm gonna go home and smash them in it.
Every spot got a story to frame. Two sisters, full squad.